Shit, just trying to survive in this pollution. Nah, I ain't trying to survive in this pollution. I'm thriving in this pollution, and I don't notice any pollution. You feel me? And I don't care what this country got going on. They got people wearing masks. Got you walking in fear. And then, like, literally, I just got up, dropped off home from work. And my coworker that I'm with, like, one of the main things that he loves to do when we in the car is listen to 1010 Win. Basically, listen to Fear and Trauma all day. And they basically talking about, oh, literally, the tri-state, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut is literally the toxiest place in the world right now. And I'm like, yo, bro, so basically, it's something going on in Canada, and we're like, what, 6 hours away from Canada, and we're the most toxic place in the country right now? What about the place that is currently happening to right now? Like, I see people walking around, especially the Asian people. They don't play that, because I was just in the city today. I was in Staten Island in Brooklyn for the day. Everybody walking around in fear, like, oh my God, toxicity. And like, yo, bro, my thing is, I just want people to know, like, yo, bro, the fear is not going to make the situation better. Only thing it's going to do is lower your vibration and make you more accessible to anything that is currently being pumped out into the world right now. So I just wanted to say that for anybody that's operating, from a fearful space, or feeling like, you might experience death, or feeling like you're being poisoned and something like that. And also another thing to anybody that's currently, whether you're in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or Philadelphia, or anywhere near anything, the so-called toxicity that's happening right now, don't listen to these people telling you to stay in your house, to wear a mask and all this other stuff. Because literally your life force is due to oxygen. You can live without water. You can live without food. You can live without a bunch of things for a very long time, for the rest of your life. But if you go like this for long enough, like a few minutes or an hour, you're done. Because without oxygen, you're gone. You feel me? And the way this thing works is when you breathe in oxygen. That's what gives you life. And when you breathe out carbon dioxide. You basically breathe out death, and literally the nature and the earth take the death and gives you back more, more oxygen for you to consume. So if I was you, instead of being fearful and wearing that goofy mask and locking yourself up in the house, so basically it's kind of like somebody tell you, right, there's something toxic in the air, and then they tell you to go lock up in a room. I can understand if the room is a beautiful room, that's loaded with oxygen, and nothing is gonna be able to go in there. You have an AC with your window, and in your window, you have cracks in your house, you have ventilators and all type of stuff. So the stuff that's going on outside, like the air, you're not exempt from it. So the best thing that's good for you to do at the moment would be for you to go outside, be closest to the stuff that gives you the stuff that keeps you alive, which is oxygen. And that's what the trees are for. That's what the bees are for. I would tell you to go out to nature and to go to the beach instead of all the goofy bullshit that they telling you to do. So basically what they telling you to do is to put on a mask. When you breathe in the oxygen, you breathe out the carbon dioxide, which is the stuff that your body don't need. And now they telling you to smack the stuff that your body don't need, like right into, into your nostrils. So if I was you, I'd free myself and go, have a salad and go drink, some H3O2 and have me some watermelon, or have you all the stuff that allows your temple, to operate at its full, at its full level. Go outside, go breathe, go to nature, go to the beach. Fuck all that fearful stuff that they be trying to pump at everybody. And now it's people walking around like, oh my God. Like, it's like it's the movie Independence Day, like it's the end of the world or something. Something just told me to say that. Y'all know we just be yapping, and whoever want to use it for whatever they want to use it for, and whoever want to take it as just yapping, then just take it as just yapping. But what's happening though?